Hello everyone, I'm John Freddy Salazar Correa, tutor Oscar Javier Borges. I'm developing this recording to give answer to the task number 4 of the teacher development course, which consists in take the main ideas taken from the previous words. And it say, in the first activity or pre-task, the main ideas are, in first place, recognize all the organization of the course content with respect to the environments and their unit content. In second place, give answer to some questions which are so important in our process and in our future as teachers. All this was represented in a conceptual map. In the second activity, or task 1, we developed 5 summaries of 300 words each one, taking about 5 important readings of the Unit 1. The names of the readings are Classroom Quality Children's Academic Skills in Child Care, Understanding the Role of Teacher Qualification, Teacher Qualification and Kindergartners Achievements, Writing for Professional Development, the evaluation of students' views concerning the teacher qualification for the total quality implementation, teacher development for bilingual education in Colombia towards teacher empowerment. How we can see, all these titles have a relation with outcomes that we want to achieve at the moment that we'll be sharing the knowledge in the classroom to our students, and it can be reflected in the teaching quality. In the third activity, or task 2, we continue with the summaries of 300 words each one, but in this case we are going to be talking about 4 relevant readings of the Unit 2 called the contribution of research to teacher professional learning and development, educational research and teacher development, educational effectiveness research at the knowledge base of improving education, improving teacher development and training. In this chapter or in this reading, we can learn the importance that have the research in our process, like teachers, and in our professional development. And in the last activity, how we were talking about the importance of research in the previous activity, in this we had to investigate about the following topics. Which one are the lines of investigation? Which one are the hotbeds of research? What is the CBELE? What are the CBELE academic service? What are some of the books in SEDU? And finally, we had to develop a research project, which is very important at the moment to determine how to start working in an investigation. Thanks a lot and blessing for all. Bye.